Hello guys, welcome back and welcome to my channel. This is Ambis vlog and I'm back with another video for you guys. So today I'm unboxing this new thing which I've ordered from Amazon.com for my 2011 Volkswagen Polo. So let's see what's inside the box. So this is the box. It's not in good shape, I know, but that's okay. The product inside this box is very well protected. So let's open up and see. I'm doing it one-handed because it's a quick unboxing video. It's not a that big thing to unbox, but still I'm doing it on camera for you guys. So this is the first one. Let's keep it aside. And this is the second one. Nothing inside the box, no manual, nothing. That's it. So here it is. It's an headlight eyebrow for my Polo. It's just a thing which add a sportier and aggressive look to your car's headlight. So before I used to have vinyl wrapped along the eyebrows of headlight. Now this is proper ABS thing, plastic material, and it's thin, not that thick, which will directly fit on the headlight and give that aggressive and sporty look. So this is how it looks. The finish, the quality of this product is good. First impression, the product quality is good, and let's see how it fits on our vehicle. We are back on my car. This is my 2011 Volkswagen Polo. So today we are going to install that eyebrows which I have unboxed. Yes, these are third-party Eagle Eye made headlamps, but the eyebrows which we have ordered will fit on all types of headlamps which are there on Polo as well as on Vento. We have to clean the surface of headlamp before installing, and see, we have cleaned both the headlamps. So before installing we have just mocked up the position of eyebrows on headlamp. As you can see, this is how they will look. They are not fixed yet. And for the other side, the fit is really good. I guess you have to open up the hood so that you can stick it properly, but it fits properly on this third-party headlamp also. So hello guys, I'm back after installing the eyebrows on my headlamp. So this is how they are looking. So it won't affect the throw or visibility of your original headlamps. It just provides an eyebrow over the DRLs and projectors. So we'll turn on the headlights. See, as you can see, it is not harming the vision or the throw of headlamp even after installing this. And we'll show it from other side. This is how it's looking. The fit is also good. The quality is also good, and it's not affecting and hindering the throw of headlamp from this. So thumbs up to the product, and we'll put up the link in the description for you guys so that you can also order it. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. This is Ambis vlog signing off.